Well, Shelby and Kylie, the president of Oklahoma Baptist University, says that the damage here on their campus today is the worst they've seen in the history of the university. We're going to show you a little bit of that damage. You can see this tree is completely uprooted, and this is just a small area of campus. The chapel right behind it, this is Rayleigh Chapel. He says that this is really an iconic and historical building, one of two historical buildings on their campus, along with Shawnee Hall. He says that there were students who actually sheltered inside the chapel last night, and you can see some of the damage that's been done to that building. However, through all of this damage that they're starting to assess today, he says the most important thing is that all of the buildings can be rebuilt, and they're happy that there's no injuries or fatalities here on campus. Here's what else he had to say.
We've had so many friends and so many folks reach out. The local, the state folks have reached out. All of our senators have reached out. Our local reps, state senators have reached out, talked to the mayor. It's going to take time to rebuild, but you know, we've got an incredible alumni base, incredible partners, incredible friends who have already expressed a desire to help support these kids, these students, help get them back in the classrooms, and help them achieve what God's called them to do.
And he said at this point it's unclear how long it will take to get those students back in the classrooms, but they are planning on hopefully going online or finding ways to get students through the rest of the semester, as finals weeks are just a few weeks away. He also mentioned how the disaster relief is here in Shawnee, is helping. They have multiple crews out assessing all of the buildings that have been damaged, but right now it's too early to tell just how bad the damage is to the majority of those buildings. Now, coming up here pretty soon, we did get word that Governor Kevin Stitt is also in Shawnee assessing damage here. So we are going to go, hopefully go meet up with him and see his message to Oklahomans moving forward. For now, reporting live in Shawnee, Elise Jones, KOCO 5 News.